Let's unbox this hair really quickly. What came inside the packaging is a wig cap and some eyelashes, and that was it. Okay, that was it. The wig that I got is 20 inches, and this is how it looks straight out of the packaging. I got a 13x4 transparent lace, 180% honey blonde highlights wig.
Listen, whoever works at ESCOM, when I catch you, nonsense.
When I catch you, let me tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to punch you in your mouth, your throat, and your solar plex. Then I'm going to throw you on the ground and commence to stomping your face into the cement. Be prepared.
Anyway, my god, guys, I am so like, look at it. Come on, I'm really just obsessed. The only thing that I did to it is hot comment and, you know, define my part a little bit, but yeah, that's pretty much all that I did. I have to do this really quickly. I think that's one thing that kind of annoys me right now. Open your purse.
Open your purse.
Because I'm rushing. Okay, now I'm upset.
The service producer.
Ew, that just looks so wrong. I can't, like, I'm not somebody that knows how to rush, and I could have done this earlier on, but I had so much work to do. Let me just catch a breathe. You know, I hate when I watch somebody and they are rushing, so I hate that I'm actually making a video of me rushing, because that's one of the videos I hate. I'm just like, girl, give us your time, you know, like, girl, just, yeah, understand. To all the content creators that are judged, understand, sometimes you gotta make she happy. I done been through a lot. Oh my god, what? Who is that? Please let me stop. Do we do glue? How much time do I have? What time is it now? Let me check the time. It's like 2:04. I can't do glue, guys, but I really wanted to snatch. I was gonna use the ghost bond, but we out of time. We are out of time. Got to be, the only issue that I have with it is flaky. It leaves a white cast, a white mark. elastic band. Ah. Be back. I'm so worried for this hair. Hey guys, I might cancel and start over. Nah. There's no way. I need a hot comb. No. Like I need a hot comb to make this look presentable. I need baby hairs. I need a hot comb. Ciao. This is a fail. This is a fucking epic fail. Okay? Listen, I can't do this to this hair. I can't do this to this hair. First of all, look at this hairline. Like, I just can't. I honestly, I'm not doing this.
So we don't have the capacity. The next day.
A lot has happened since yesterday. Thank God. I'm tired. Like, Escom, I'm really exhausted.
Okay. Let's try this again.
I now have 30 minutes. I now have 30 minutes. 30 minutes left until load shedding. Again. Like,
Hey. Hey.
I wanted to start earlier, but I just had so much work to do. But I've already laid my wig cap while I was working so it can dry and get that out of the way. The goal is to move abroad and pray for South Africa from there. Okay?
This here is on some true for shit. It seems like everything I do, you're used to it. And I can't hear the stories I will do it with. So when I get high, when I'm feeling inside. So used to think I'm confident and dumb. Is this gonna last? You're up on the pedestal, I've been moving too fast. Feel like I'm in crazy competition with the past. So I got eyes, anything to do with brand new. It's anything to do with brand new.
Do you see the import? Shut up. I know you see that shit. I'm gonna do my makeup and then I'll come back, even if it's in the dark, and close up this video and give you guys my final review. But give me electricity as come.
Good gracious God. I've seen beauty before, but this is a discovery.
feel good. Like, I feel good. Like, I feel good. It's just, like, after the shenanigans of the day, like, honestly, I had to wait for the power to come back on, and yeah, now I'm off to my dinner, and beach, I look really good. My final thought on this hair is, do I think it's worth the coins? Do I not? Do I think it's worth the coins? 100%. This is my true, honest opinion, unbiased, not influenced by anything. And all I can say is this hair is good quality. I got 180% density, like I mentioned before. And let me see now. Let me move this a little bit. See, this is 20 inches. This is 20 inches. And that's how long it is. You did something there, Iseehair. You did something there, baby. Come on. Like, it was worth the trouble. I suffered. I am so happy with it. The only thing that I said that I found to be problematic is the knots are really big on the lace, but it is something that you can work with. Just stay far away from me. Don't come too close. Don't come too close, or you might see my sins. Okay, but yeah, that is it for today's video. Please thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't already. This eyelash is doing this, like, sloping down. Why you do that? Why you do that when I'm trying to say goodbye to the people? Has it been like this the entire video? Cause that's a mess. That's a mess, dude. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video until the end, and I will surely catch you guys next time. Like, I don't even want to go. Like, I just want to sit here so you guys can look at me and just, you know. But anyway, replay or watch my other videos. I'm guessed.